I don't even know what it is.
As I press record.
Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate. We've got another impromptu video for you. As I've said before, we get some phenomenal opportunities on the channel, and this is one of those. Basically, I've got the chance to go in a... what is it?
It's a Can-Am.
A Can-Am.
Yeah, off-roader.
Off-road buggy thing. I've never experienced anything like it, but let's jump to it. I'll show you what happened. So we always say on the channel we are blessed with some phenomenal opportunities. We've just come to deliver some merch through Gav and one of his mates, Paul. So Paul just met the guy and he's kindly offered to take me in his absolute animal of a toy. I don't even know what it is, so we'll get a quick rundown of it and let's just see what this is going to be like. So this is it. This is Paul's Can-Am Maverick X3 RC Turbo. So many upgrades, I won't list them all, but it is blessed with Fox 3.0 racing shocks, full FMA roll cage, Evolution Powersport Stage 3 package running Evolution Powersport Turbo with blow-off valve and remap. Running around 240 brake horsepower and weighing just 900 kilos, this thing is undoubtedly going to be fun. I'm going to apologise for the wind noise. This was a very spur of the moment video, therefore recorded on my phone, but I couldn't miss this opportunity and wanted to share it with you guys. Here's how it went.
Take your time, Paul.
Make him squeal. Babes. Ta.
Do you know what makes it, I think what makes it more dramatic, you know, because obviously it's got soft suspension. I felt like we were going to take off then. You guys have got to see what I'm seeing here. That's incredible. It seems very sketchy in the sense that it wants to go sideways, but at the same time, you seem really in control of it.
It's easy to control. It always wants to go sideways because the back diff is locked.
Yeah.
Limited then. But yeah, it's easy. It's good to control.
I mean, you can tell you're not even like really pushing it, but God, what an experience!
It's the annoying thing for me is it's a CVT clutch on it, so it's constant.
Yes.
Yeah, they always sound the same.
Yeah, it's a strange sensation, isn't it? Oh my God! So it's four-wheel drive then, obviously. I've got goosebumps. I can't think of any other words to say apart from oh my god, that is incredible. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to Paul. That I have never, honestly never experienced anything even close to that. That was wow. Whew. So that was my experience with the Turbo Can-Am. What a machine. Again, I want to say big apologies for the wind noise, but I'm sure you guys will agree this was an amazing opportunity that I did not want to miss and wanted to bring you guys along. We are hoping to join these guys one day when they take these beasts out up the mountains for a proper drive and get some much better footage for you. Once again, a massive thank you for Paul for giving me the opportunity, and we'll hopefully catch up with him soon. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.